Most of the guys that work here have been doing this for a really long time.
You know, everybody here can trust on the other guy to do what's right.
My favorite piece of the business is seeing the end result of the build and seeing the customer's face when they see their vehicle done.
Being able to have the personalities that we all have and everybody being able to get along and nobody ruffling anybody's feathers, you know, is a big benefit to this industry.
Do what you say you're gonna do, treat people well, and be straight up, and good things happen.
You know, here we are years later, and what, a 30-something thousand square foot building with 8 lifts, a bunch of wheel and tire machines, and man, honestly, it's been kind of a dream the past few years.